The chairman of Kwali Area Council, Danladi Chia, has been installed as the Grand Patron of the Boys Brigade Nigeria, Kwali Battalion. Present during the installation ceremony in the council's conference hall were the Speaker of the Legislative Arm, the council's secretary, the senior officers of the Boys Brigade. The Grand Patron, in accordance with the rules of the organization, went straight to inspect the men and officers on ground. The chairman is optimistic that his stay as the Grand Patron will better the lords of the battalion.
It's another responsibility given to me, and I pray to God Almighty should use me so that we can better the life of our people in Kwali Area Council.
From us at AGTV, we wish him the best. Abel Sunday, AGTV News.